So today I'm going to show you how to count the number of words you have on your Microsoft Word. You've typed in Microsoft Word. Take for example, you might be told not to type more than 1,000 words for in a document, and you want to know how much words you already typed. Or you just have to go down to the left corner of your Word document. You can see over here words. So currently now in this document I have actually 14,011 words. You can also click on it and you can see number of pages 35 words 14,011. Characters with no space is 71,167. Characters with spaces is 85,183. I have 339 paragraphs and I've written, and all my words are in 1,117 lines. So that's how to just know the number of words or know the number of counts of words you have written or typed in your document in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much.